Hello students, welcome to Sopsys classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC NET questions from the June 2018 paper. We'll be solving the set C of the mathematical sciences paper. So let's start off with question number 87. In question number 87 it has been said that which of the following subjects are true? Option 1, the multiplicative group of a finite field is always cyclic. Option 2, the additive group of a finite field is always cyclic. Option 3, there exists a finite field of any given order. And option 4, there exists at most one finite field up to isomorphism of any given order. So these are the four options that have been given. So in option 1 it has been said that the multiplicative group of a finite field is always cyclic. Now we know that every finite field has order Pn, has order p to the power n, and we know that multiplicative group of a finite field, that multiplicative group of a finite field is always isomorphic to Zpn minus 1, and we know that Zpn minus 1 is always cyclic. So our statement that every multiplicative group of a finite field is always cyclic is true. So therefore option 1 is true. Option 1 is true. Now let us shift our focus to option 2. In option 2 it has been said that the additive group of a finite field is always cyclic. This is not necessarily correct. Suppose we have a finite group of order 4. So now an additive group of finite field and order 4 is isomorphic to we can say Z4 or Z square cross Z square. So as you can see over here, these are not cyclic. So therefore we cannot say that the additive group of a finite field is always cyclic. So therefore option 2 is false. Let us shift to option 3. Option 3 is that there exists a finite field of any order. Now there will be a orders are of the orders are of the form p to the power n. Now this p is basically a prime number. So therefore if the order is some power of a prime number, in that case finite field is possible. Finite field is possible if the order is some power of a prime number. Otherwise it is not the order of a finite field. So therefore we like orders like 6, 10, 12, these are not possible. But if it is like 2, 4, 8, or if 3, 9, 27, 60, not 16, if it is like 49, these are possible. These are possible orders of a finite field. Possible orders. Okay, so therefore option 3 is incorrect. Option 3 is incorrect. Now let us shift our focus to option 4. Now in option 4, it is said that there exists at most one finite field up to isomorphism of any given order. So let us solve this part. So now it has been given. Let me insert another page over here. So now for any given n, if n is equal to pk, then there exists a unique field of order n up to isomorphism this is possible. If n is equal to the power of some power of a prime number, then there exists a unique field of order n. But for other n, this is not possible. As I have already mentioned in the previous for the last option, for other n it is not possible. So therefore we will at least get one order. So therefore option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. So therefore the correct options are option 1 and option 4. So these are the correct options. So today we have solved question number 87 from the CSIR UGC net questions of June 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Solve This Class videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.